cut and join and add the clips to your video. Okay, so this is what we call cut and join. You cut and join and add some clips to your videos. Okay, so now so the next one now I want to show you is how you can reduce the noise on your video. Yes, most of us edit a video without reducing the noise on the video. So now I want to split this video into two because I want to add some volume. I want to add the volume of the video so that I can be able to reduce the noise. So you still go back to your split, you split it, and then I'm going to scroll down again now to my volume. This is my volume. I'm going to add it to 28 because I just need it to I just need it for the reduction of the noise. I'm going to click on my good. The next one I'm going to do now is I'm going to scroll down. Just scroll down. You will see noise reduction. You see? So you will see this reduce noise. This is it. Reduce noise. I'm going to click on my reduce noise. Then I'm going to turn it on. Yeah, I've turned it on. So I'm going to click on the so my video noise has been reduced. The background noise on my video has been reduced automatically. Yes. So you see, that is how you can reduce noise on your video. So the next one I want to teach you now is how you can add a text to your video. If you want to add a write-up, you have your audio, you have your text, overlay, effect, caption, aspect ratio. Now what I want is text. I'm going to click on my text. This is my text. Then it's going to take me add text. It's going to take me to add text. I'm going to add text. Then you can see the box already appeared. This is where I'm going to add my text. Okay, this is the box. This box here is for you to write. You can drag it to any position you want. Drag it to any position you want. I just want it to be in a place so you guys can see it clearly. This box here is for you to write whatever you want to write. So let's say thank you, love. Thank you, love. So thank you, love. Okay, so thank you, love. But there are some effects that you will need to use Capcut to add. There are some effects that you need to use Capcut to add. So now these are the front effect that you want. If you want to any write-up you want to use for this video, any write-up you want to use for the text. Okay, so now I'm going to use rubric. I'll click on rubric. You can see I say thank you. Then I'm going to go to style. These are style, anyone you want to use here. I'm going to go to this one that is this white. Thank you, love. Okay, let's use the yellow one. Thank you. Can you see that? Then when you want animation, these are effects. These are effects. Any effects you want to use here, you click on it. I say thank you. This is the effect I want to use. If you want to use red, you click on red. So I'm using this black and white effect. Okay, so next I'm going to go to animations. This is your animation. A lot of animation here that you can use for your videos. A lot of animation here that you can use for your video. So what I want to use is the zoom in. This is the zoom in. I'm going to drag the arrow to the seconds you want it to be. Let's leave it on 2 seconds. Then so my write-up is going to pop up because I use zoom in. It's going to zoom into your screen. So you see that is how you can add a text or a write-up to your video. So the next one I'm going to teach you now is so the next one I'm going to teach you is how you can add your stickers. Okay, if you want to add the stickers to your video, everything is on the same line. The same line you have your add text is the same line that your stickers is. This is your stickers. You click on your stickers. It's loading. Capcut is so easy and simple. It's loading. Okay, so now I want to go to this one that has this notification. I'm going to click on it. I want to use the sticker that is already on this video. You guys can see the stickers on my video. So I've added the stickers. I'll click the stickers. A lot of stickers here you can use. A lot of stickers here that you can use, but this is the one I want to use. So I've added it to my video already. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on my my good sign. I've marked it already. So I'm going to drag it to the length I want it to be. Let's say I want it to be on the left side of this video. Let's leave it that way. So let's leave it that way. Let's leave it that way. Let's leave it that way. Then the next thing I want to do is to add my animations. I'll add my animation. I'm going to use bounce in. I don't know why it's not loading. These are animations for effects, for stickers. So these are animations for stickers. Okay, I don't know why it's not loading, but I'm going to use this bounce in. And you still drag it to any length you want to. Let's leave it on 1. So I'm going to click on my good, and that is done. You can see that it has. So you can see that my stickers just bounce into my video, just as the same one I was teaching you guys on that text. So if you want to duplicate the stickers, you click on the stickers, you scroll down, the place you can see split and you can see duplicate. I'm going to click on duplicate. The stickers has been divided into 2. So I will drag the second one here. You can see that, right? I will drag it there. Then I'm going to leave. You can see. Let me show you guys something. So you see that the stickers has been duplicated into two. It has been divided into two stickers. That is how you can duplicate your stickers. You can still use it. You can still duplicate your text. Okay, duplicate means you sharing it into two. The next one I want to teach you is how you can add the music to your videos. The music to your video. Now, what we need to do is that we are going to scroll down all this place that has this edit, like I've mentioned before, text, overlay, effect, and all of that. I'm going to go to audio because this is what I want. I'll click on my audio. Then we are going to go to sound. It's loading. It's loading. So quote all this music that you are seeing here on Capcut. Do not use them because if you use them, it's to be given a copyright. You have copyright on your video. All this you have copyright on your video. All this music you are seeing here, they are copyrighted. So don't use them. They are copyrighted video. So now you can see this fire icon here. I'm going to click on the second box from. These are music that I have already downloaded from YouTube Audio Library. YouTube Audio Library is a free music. They have free copyrighted music. Their music are free. You can use it for your videos and you will not get any copyright. So I'm going to click on this one. Click on it. You see that the music has been added to my video. Now what I want to do is that I want to reduce the volume of this video, of this music. I want to reduce the volume of the music. So I'm going to go back to my volume. I'll click on my volume and drag it to 0. Let's leave it on 0 for the purpose of this teaching so that you guys can hear me everything I want to say on this video. So I'll leave it on 0. I'll click on good. My music is already on my video, okay, so it will still be playing on my video. But since I've muted the volume, you can't hear the sound of the music on the video because I've muted it, okay. So that is how you can add a music to your video. The next one I want to teach you is how you can add a overlay to your video. What is overlay? Overlay is you adding, like, maybe you were saying something in your video and you want to reflect what you are saying. You want to show pictures of what you are talking about. Okay, so that is what overlay is. That is the work of overlay. So you can overlay. You click on it again. Then let's say I want to use pictures. I'm going to use this picture. I'll click on it. Then I'm going to add the pictures to my video. You see? You can use your hand to drag it to any length you want it to be. Any length you want this to be. You can use your hand to drag it anywhere you want it to. If you want it to be fuller. If you want it to be fuller, you drag it. If you want it to be small, if you want it to be fuller, you drag it to full the screen. If you want it to be small, you reduce it. So anyhow you want this to be, you drag it. Okay, so let's say I want to leave it at that side. Let's say I'm talking and I want to show you guys some pictures or example of what I'm talking about. I'm just going to use that for my example. So you can see my video is playing and this is my overlay. You can see my pictures there. So that is how you can add an overlay to your videos. Okay, so the next one I want to teach you now is how you can use effects. How you can add effect to your video. What is effect? Effect is like effect is something that will just be making your video to be more interesting. Okay, so now we still scroll down to this place. Everything you need to work with are all here. Everything you need to work with are here. So now I'm going to click on my effect. This is effect. I'm going to, you will see video effect, body effect, and photo effect. So I'm going to go to video effect. Okay, it's loading. So let's say I want to use this zoom in lens. Zoom lens. I'm going to click on my zoom lens. You can see it's zooming. You can see that the effect has been applied to my video. Let's play this video. Wait, let me drag this to this place that you can see. You can drag it to anywhere you want it to be. Okay, so I want it to be here so that you guys can see it clearly because I was talking with voice over the other side. So let's play the video now. So my effect has been applied to my video. You can see that, right? My effect has been applied to my videos. So let's load, but these ones are going to pop up. So now these are effects that you can use for your videos. These are effects, a lot of effects here that you will use. I'm looking for the fade in. This is fade in. I usually use this a lot in my video. So this fade in, you click on it, it's going to apply to your video. Then you mark, then you now drag, you reduce it. Okay, so that because the last part is blurring, so you reduce it to be on this fade. This is how I usually do it. I'll reduce it. This is how you can apply and add an effect to your video. So guys, see, I'm just going to stop here. I'm going to stop here. I don't know, maybe I will do a part 2 of this video because this video is already getting too long. I'm going to stop here for now. So this is how you can add music, voiceover, effect, stickers, and write up to your videos. As simple as easy. It's not hard. Okay, Capcut is very simple. It's very friendly for beginners. For you to, if you want to learn how to edit video, Capcut is very Capcut is very friendly and it's very, very simple. So that's how you can do it. Okay. So if there is anything I didn't mention on this video, if there's anything you think I should have mentioned or I should have done, if there's anything you think I should have added or mentioned on this video that I did not add, feel free to to share with me in the comment section. Okay, feel free to share with me in the comment section, because we are all here to learn. Even me too, I'm learning. I'm not perfect at all it here, but I'll see you guys in my next video. But for now, bye. My name is Believe, and I sign out. Bye guys.